In this video, I will show you how to install Android 16 tablet on a Windows 11 PC. I will also show how to fix system UI isn't responding and blank screen issues in Android Emulator. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Step 1. Check virtualization. First, open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab and check if virtualization is enabled. If it is disabled, you need to enable it from BIOS. In my PC, virtualization is already enabled. Step 2. Download Android Studio. Now open Google Chrome and search for Android Studio. Click on the first official website link. Click on the download option and scroll down. Check I have read and agree, then start the download. The file size is around 1.3 GB, so it may take some time. Step 3. Install Android Studio. After downloading, temporarily turn off Windows security. Otherwise, Android Studio may not install properly. After installation, you can turn it on again. Open the downloaded file. If your C drive has enough space, install it there. My C drive has low space, so I'm installing it on another drive. After installation, a pop-up will appear. Click Don't Send. Keep the install type as standard and click Accept. This process may take some time, so please wait. I am skipping this part in the video. Step 4. Create Android 16 Tablet Emulator. Once Android Studio opens, click on More Actions. Then select Virtual Device Manager. Click on the plus icon to create a new device. Select Tablet, then choose Pixel Tablet. Go to Additional Settings and set internal storage to 10 GB or more if you want. Go back and select Android 16 API. Your Pixel tablet is now ready. Run emulator. The first boot may take some time. My PC does not have a dedicated graphics card, so the background may look a bit laggy. As you can see, Android version is 16. Play Store is working perfectly. And YouTube runs smoothly. Fix system UI isn't responding / blank screen. If you face system UI isn't responding or blank screen issues, follow these steps. Click on the three-dot menu of the device. Go to Edit. In Additional Settings, set boot option from quick to cold. Set graphics acceleration to hardware. Set VM heap size to 512 MB. Click Finish. Open Start menu and search Windows features. Enable the following options: Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform. Click OK and restart your PC. After restart, All system UI and blank screen issues will be fixed. Sometimes the system UI error may appear once while starting. Then click Wait and it will not appear again. If this video helped you, please give it a like. For more Windows, Android, and PC solution videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or face any issues, let me know in the comments and I'll reply. Share this video with your friends so they can fix the same problem too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.